How to remove Discord audio from Geforce experience. I am going to show you how you can remove Discord audio from the Geforce experience. RTX Voice creates a virtual device on your system. It is this virtual device that we want to use in your voice chat apps to denoise background noise from chat only, not from your general Windows audio. Download the app for NVIDIA RTX GPUs or higher. Download NVIDIA Broadcast and visit the setup guide here. Install it. Configure RTX Voice by selecting the microphone and speaker you want to use. You can turn on the background noise removal for the mic and or the speakers not working correctly. Configure your voice chat app according to the instructions below. Applications can sometimes apply effects, such as noise cancelling. Similar to those in NVIDIA, broadcasts applying an effective twice will often result in the effect not working correctly. Go to Settings and then select Voice and Video. Select microphone and speaker as your devices. For best quality, make sure that you disable any noise cancelling or removal effects in Discord.